Hey friends, Melinda here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I post weekly workouts so that you can stay strong, fit, and fierce with me each and every week. If you're new here, make sure that you consider subscribing. Today's Standing Pilates workout comes from our Fresh Start workout series. I'll be using low-impact Pilates-inspired movements to sculpt and chisel the entire body. If you want to amplify this workout, go ahead and grab light hand weights to intensify. If you love today's workout, I want you to click that like button below and show me some support. Now let's get ready for our Standing Pilates workout. Guys, so I've got those light weights in the palms, plie as we tilt, come back into center. So you've got that gentle, externally rotated second position, down, finding that nice lateral flexion through the side body. Elbows are pinching out to sides here. So we're lengthening as we come up, and then finding that oblique crunch as we lower. Deep grand plie, warming up the legs as well. So we're getting those total body movements here. Drop the shoulders down the back, reach. Remember, you don't want to force your turnout here. You want to find a nice turnout, natural turnout within your body, what works best within your body today. Make sure those knees are gliding right into alignment with the second to third toe. Reach and press. Find the action of the crunch. Bring it back in. Right. Center. One last one right here. Bend and press. Bring the legs together. We open out to second. Hug it back in. Open to second. Bring it back in. Open and then press. Reach. So I want you to fire up the heels as the heels drive in together. Out and squeeze inner thighs. So those adductors should feel a burn as they come back in. Shoulders should feel it as well. Now, if you want to intensify this, you open to a little jump here. Press. So now you're just taking a little shuffle side to side. Push and press. Or you stay with the steps. Push. Try to travel with it. Work through those legs. Arms are getting a lot of work as well. Push, reach, press. Again, we reach and lengthen those arms out. One last one. Bring it back in. Find that nice second position. Reach those arms out. Pilates, saw here. Reach. Bring it back up. In through center. So we reach. Elongate, bring it back up, and center. We lift, press, bring that back arm up, scoop the belly in, and press, lift. Right arm, back arm comes up. Use the core to lift you in this position. Up, press, core engaged, bring it out. Reach it, lengthen it, come back up to center. Now open again into that turned out position. You've got a lateral lunge press. Let's actually push those arms back into the wall here. Changing it up a little bit and press. Drop those shoulders down the back. Deep lunge, find that deep lunge, or you go shallow today. Remember, you can go shallow, you can modify. But if you've got that deep lunge, I want to see it today. Work at your maximal potential, wherever that is for you and your body today. Out, pull it in, reach, push those palms, reaching them against that back wall. Out and in. One last one to each side. Reach, press, bring your legs back into first position from here. Float the arms out, take a side lateral flexion, bring it back in, and then find a side attitude press. Reach, side attitude press, and reach. So there's some balance that gets in there. You've got a core tight here. Tighten up that core. Reach. You've got this. Lift. Let's take one more here. Up and then twist. Let's take it to the opposite side. Up, press, and twist. Again, reach. Let me see you really try to work for it today. Drop the hip bone down, up and over, press. Let's take one more on this side, pull, press. We go right away into our small Arabesque shaving series. Push. So I'm shaving behind the ponytail and just lifting into a very small Arabesque as I squeeze the gluteal to the top. Lift. There's a small diagonal within the body. Zipper up the core here. Lift and press. Long spine. So once you gaze into a little diagonal, drop the shoulders down. If this is too much, you can always release those weights. Press. Squeeze that glute. Try to elongate that toe tip behind the body. From here, we're taking it into a lunge. So we lunge twist, bring it back in to a passe twist. So we take it lunge twist. Ooh, that balance is affected. Maybe I went a little too deep in that twist. Press. So we twist, bring it back in, up. So again, like I said, it's a lot of core challenge, a lot of balance and stability challenge. Movements are very slow and reaching with control. Press, up and around. Again, we twist it, bring it back in, up and lift. Try to push that opposite arm open. From here, we're gonna go right away into our single tricep extensions. Now, this is a modified version right here. If you wanna go a little bit more challenging, let's take that leg to passe. I want you to find that tricep engagement. Reach and squeeze. Press, drop the shoulders firmly down the back. Lift. Contract to the top. I've got to find that contraction. Really feeling the back of those arms. Fire up here. Drop shoulders down and away. Reach and press. Give me one last one. Reach. Bring it back down. We're going right away to that opposite side. We've got the Arabesque shaving series from here. Press. Belly pulls in. Lift. Remember, it's like you're shaving behind the ponytail here. Drop shoulders down. Slight bend within the bottom leg. Reach. Core is engaged. Stretch the leg behind you. Extend. Remember, you're taking that gaze into a little diagonal, maybe a 45-degree angle, so that we're not putting pressure onto the neck or the spine here. Reach. Try to find that gluteal contraction. Reach. And that little pause at the top and press. One last one. We're going right away into our lunge. So we lunge, press again. Balance is affected here. As you can see, reach, press, lift it up. So we reach. It's okay if we wiggle and wobble. That's all of the process here. Trying to get stronger with all those wiggles and wobbles. Reach, it's natural. Press, out, center, lift it up, and press. Take it back, center, twist, open up that back arm, and reach. Out, center, lift it, passe. Take it back, center, lift it. Let's go right away into those tricep kickbacks. Maybe you're here. This time, I want your palms going up into the ceiling. Reach, contract, and press. So you're getting a lot of work with your standing leg here by challenging your balance. Reach and contract. Lift. Scoop navel in. Find that contraction. Lift and lengthen. Let's go 2 more here. Lift and press. One last one. Lift and press. Excellent work, guys. If you need a little bit more, go ahead and do another round of this series. Take a breath for me. Inhale up. Excellent job, guys. One more. Inhale. Exhale it out.